In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change name in Google Meet. To get started, open your browser on your computer. Then go to the Google account page. If you are not sure where to find it, you can simply type Google account into your browser search bar and choose the official Google results. Once the page loads, make sure you are viewing the account settings for the correct Google account that you use with Google Meet. Now look for the left-hand menu on the Google account page. In that menu, click on Personal Info. After you open Personal Info, find the Basic Info section. Within Basic Info, look for the field labeled Name. Click on Name to open the name settings. At this point, you may see your current first name and last name exactly as they appear today in your Google profile. Next, locate the Edit option next to your name. The page may show an edit icon that looks like a pencil. Click on the pencil, because this is what allows you to make changes. If prompted, confirm that you want to update your information. Once the name fields become editable, type your new first name and your new last name. Now, after you click Save, it is a good idea to wait a moment for the change to process. At this point, your name is updated at the account level. And that is all there is to it.